Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Mezabin Pinky, and if you are a returning subscriber or if you are not subscribed yet to my channel but still watching all my videos, thank you so much, and thanks so much for joining in today for this video. So it's another day to color my hair. Okay, so I'm literally so excited to do this video for you all. There is lots of videos here on my channel you can watch. I have uploaded all the time I colored my hair, so you can go watch. And I think the video qualities might not be that good, but I'm working on that, and I think this one will be better. And like, I haven't on the front light. Let's on and let's see. Okay, it does make some difference. Okay, so let me just on another one. So this is how actually my hair looks at the moment. Yeah, I ordered these hair colors from Chemist Warehouse yesterday. If you haven't watched the whole, it's up on my channel, you can watch. I have like showed everything I bought. Like, to be honest, I'm not a professional, okay? So whatever I'm sharing here, I'm just doing it by myself. And I'm also like doing it on my hair and my girl's hair. I'm not using anyone else's hair, okay? And I bought a couple of colors, and I literally wanted to share with you all. Whenever I want to color my hair, I always like go on YouTube here to search how the color looks. That specific color I'm searching for is not on YouTube. I think all brand, Garnier, L'Oreal, Schwarzkopf, Nice and Easy, they all should make videos and show us how the color actually looks if we are doing it at home. I was going to buy a light hair color, so by mistake I bought this one, Ultra Platinum Bleach, up to 9 level lift. Okay, so this one, but this is a bleach, and I'm not applying bleach on my hair. As you all know, I have shared this lots of times in my other hair coloring videos. I literally can apply this bleach to my this part and make it bit more light, and then when I apply this color, which I think I saw one video, I love it on YouTube, so I thought I'll be using this one today. So this one is 6.1 light ash brown. So I think I'm gonna be applying this one first. So I got 2 of these in case I always run out because my hair is thick. So I'm going to apply one color, and then I'm going to see like how it looks. As you know, my hair is brown, and to be honest, like, I have colored several times to achieve this hair color, which you can see it now. Some places it's light, some places it's like bit dark. As you can see, like, this part is light because like when I applied last time, I think the color was 8.1 or 8.11 ultra blonde. I think I have applied that one. So I have applied from the roots, so that's why my hair, this part is light, and like it has grown this much since I've applied my last color. So like literally it's time for me to use this color, and like I am not like applying hair color every now and then, so I'm always giving my hair some rest. And as you can see, these places are light, okay, because I have colored the growth area. I'm not sure like what time was it, but it has grown this much, and like I'm having some grays too, so I think this will cover the gray hair too. I'm getting lots of comments, like all of you are telling me that I should have like removed the previous hair color and like dark, especially dark hair color you guys are talking about. So I did. I think if you will watch all my videos which I have uploaded, you will have an idea of what I did to my this hair. My this hair was really dark, and like it's not black at all, so it is dark brown. If your hair is blonde and your brows are dark, I don't like that type. You should also blonde your brows. Can you? So I don't like that type of hair. So that's why I'm not gonna be bleaching my hair at all. But like, to be honest, I'm going to keep this some day I will be like maybe highlighting with that bleach. But today I'm just going to apply this, and this color is like this. Okay, I don't know why it shows like that on the camera, because it's a bit different. Let me off this light. Okay, let's off this one too. Still okay, I think this is the actual color, and I know my hair won't turn out like this, but some places it will, because some places it's light. My hair will be, oh, somewhere around this. Will it? I'm going to like apply to all over my head, because like this hair needs to be colored. Okay, so yeah, literally I'm loving this color at the moment. Like this part, it's really pretty, as you can see. And literally I just want light here. Whenever you are applying light brown colors to your hair, like your hair will somehow turn reddish brown, then like slowly it will get to the actual color. Okay, but if you want to do it in one day, you have to bleach your hair, and then you can use purple shampoo. I think this color comes with a purple shampoo, so I am using purple shampoo all the time. So let's see what this packet contains. It comes with this instruction and gloves and this 1A coloring cream. So this is the color, and this is the developer, and this is the conditioner. These conditioners are really good and they last really long too. And also I've got one more thing, it's the gentle pH formula shampoo. Not all colors has a shampoo and conditioner, but this one has it. So also this applicator thingy, which I'm not going to use. And let's see how this color looks before applying. Okay, like I haven't washed my hair. It's been like 4-5 days I haven't washed it, and like it's dirty. And I will say that don't wash your hair before coloring. Without bleaching, I have achieved this color. It works. You have to have some patience, okay, while following the way I'm doing it, because it won't happen in one day. You have to use the lightest colors. So lightest blonde, and I will say ash blondes are really good if you want to light your dark hair. The process takes a while. I have layered it up because I really wanted to cut these dark parts out. I don't want to bleach them, so that's why I cut this part out. But still you can see the colors here, and literally I'm loving it. This is the color, and you can see it, and like literally it took me a while. I'm like doing it with you all so that you all will have an idea of how I'm doing it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I have colored my hair. I will be like putting on some cap, later. I have to find the cap. I don't know where it is. Okay, so literally it covered my whole head. How it will turn out, especially I'm concerned about the roots. Other parts it's okay. So as you can see, it will turn out something like this. It says before, after, like literally that's a huge difference. Also, like before you start, you should definitely read this really well. This will show you how to do it and what you shouldn't be doing. Definitely follow this before coloring your hair at home. I'm going to leave this for like around 1 hour, I will say, but it says you can leave it for 30 minutes. It will like show the result, but as my hair was a bit dark in certain places, I will leave it for 1 hour, then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did wash it and styled it. Like I haven't applied any oil, so it's just like this, and literally I think I love it, the way the color has turned out, and I think I like it. Like literally, like just look at it. I don't know, you can just decide how it looks. Okay, it looks really beautiful. I just love it. I have applied from roots, as you know, so it looks literally so pretty, so natural, pretty. And I know it doesn't look exactly like this, or it does, somehow it does. So yeah, this is how it looks inside, and let's go and see outside like how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks in the sun. Okay, so I think it has like blended really well with the color I had before, and like literally, as you know, I only applied this shade, and I don't know, like I think it has done its job really well. So yeah, this is the result. I hope you all liked it. Like literally I'm loving it. So I thought it won't blend well, but I think this color is really good. Like yeah, it naturally looks really nice, and it hasn't like gone too much on my roots, as you can see. If you haven't seen my previous videos, do watch my previous videos, so you will have an idea which color I have applied previously and which method I have used. So I think ash browns are really good. If you never applied any color on your hair, like you should definitely use this color. What are you doing? So you should definitely try using this color. Like if you haven't colored your hair like previously, then this color will like lighten your hair instantly, like literally instantly. So if you have applied like dark colors on your hair previously, then like you have to follow the process I did in my previous videos. Okay, so it will take a while. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.